fortune. He's come to save the day, and his planting of roses is an imperial embrace. And I watch him from a balcony with an unexpected sigh, and I thank him for frailty, what a lovely way to die. And the sun glows as he pulls up the weeds beneath my home. For a week now I'm living on my balcony up high, and I'm waiting impatiently for what I've always denied. And I thank him for frailty, what a lovely way to die. And the sun glows as he pulls up the weeds beneath my home. Like the crystal blue of ice, there's a pale moon in his eyes. He would not suppose it, but he would just forgive me. He's the knight on a chessboard with ambitious boyish charms, and he's serious and warm as he holds me in his arms.